Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use Todoist's filters to create custom views. This is your complete 2025 guide, so let's get started. First, you'll want to open up your Todoist app. Now, look towards the top right of your screen. You'll find an icon that looks like a funnel. That's your filter icon, folks. Click on it. The reason we do this is because this is where all the filtering magic happens. This is where we'll be creating our custom views. Once you've clicked on the filter icon, you'll see a list of default filters. Now, look for the plus sign at the bottom right of your screen and click on it. This helps us because it allows us to create a new custom filter. Now, isn't that exciting? After clicking on the plus sign, you'll enter into the filter creation screen. You'll notice there's a text box at the top. Go ahead and type in the name of your new filter. Then, just below that, you'll see another box. This is where you type your query. That's right, Todoist allows you to use specific search terms to create your filters. The reason we input a query is to tell Todoist exactly what tasks we want to see in our custom view. The possibilities are endless here, folks. Now that we've done that, click on the check mark at the top right of your screen to save your new filter. Let me explain why this matters. By saving your filter, you're creating a shortcut to view specific tasks that are relevant to you. This saves you time and helps you focus on what matters most. Next up, let's try out our new filter. Go back to your task list, click on that filter icon once more, and select the filter you just created. Voila! You're now viewing your tasks through the lens of your custom filter. To wrap things up, remember that Todoist's filters allow you to create custom views that cater to your specific needs. So, take advantage of this feature and make Todoist work for you. And there you have it, folks. That's how you use Todoist's filters to create custom views. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.